Hi friends, this is GK Raidu. Today we are going to discuss about the glide date API. So glide date is already we said that it is a server side script. Okay, server side API. So what type of functions let we do by the help of glide date? Just have a look here. So glide date is it provides the methods for performing the operations on the glide date object. Okay, it's related to the glide date related. So what are the methods are there in our glide date point of view? How we are using this glide date? Just have a look here. So number of methods are there, especially in glide date. So in our real time point of view, let they use the few methods generally. So those are the just have a look here. So some exercises are there. Those are the first method is glide new glide date. Okay, glide date is there. So this is the example is there. Okay, so just copy that
Sir,
query.
please
Okay,
scroll up one.
okay,
Just a minute, sir.
okay. If you want to make the
Sir,
these
please
all.
explain the. Sir, please explain the. I mean, the glide data. There's two lines are there.
This one.
Definition.
Okay, so just let they give you only the information how we are use. Okay, so and which type of operations let we do. So that is the glide date. It is a class provides the methods for performing the operations on glide date objects, such as the instantiating the glide date objects or working with the glide date fields. That means the date fields. So what are the date fields are there? While we are creating the application, sometimes we are also using the date related fields. So in that fields, okay, when we have to give that particular fields, so generally what are there? So that is the when you are giving the data type is date. So then first one is the start date and second one is the end date, for example end date. So while we are having the first date and end date, okay, both are there, and those are automatically populated by the help of some scripting. So what are the automatically populating? For example, start date is there. When you are opening the particular record, that means when you are opening the form, then that would be considered as a start date. And when you are close the ticket, okay, when you are close the ticket or resolved the ticket, that would be treated as a, okay, end date. So those two are automatically set. So those two are automatically set, and one of the another thing is also there. If you want to take the another additional value, so that 10 additional value is there, that is the helpful for find out the difference between the those two dates. So such type of activities is also identified, okay, by the help of simple scripting, okay, that related to our glide data methods. Okay, so just have a look here. So there is a small scripting is here. So that is the 3 lines script is there. Just have a look. Okay, so what we do by the particular this scripting? So generally, so okay, so this is also server side. So where you have to generally make the practice this server side APIs.
ऊपर साइड लग
Where-
background.
yes, background script. So just have a look here, and gs dot set value is the this one. What is the value? New glide date. Okay. So just have a look here. So in that, what we do in our this simple program, just have a look, guys. So that is the variable is there. That variable is considered as the okay var gd, and the method and the main object is the glide date. So that is the new glide date is there. Okay, new glide date. So that method is there, that particular object is the glide date object. In our glide date object, so let they set the value, so that value is 2024 year, and our month and date is there. So in our output point of view, what we do here, so that is the, there is a date, so that is the 2024 month and date. But let we change the that earlier date, okay, in this format. That format is the date, month and year. So for getting that, so that is the gs.info or gs.print gd dot get by format. Which format? dd, month and year. In earlier one, earlier sorry, year, month and date. So let me change that particular thing in our by the help of this okay, simple script. Okay, so that means let me change the their date type. So that means the date format, the date format. So how we do that? By the help of this simple scripting. So just we have to change that. Okay, so that is there. Is there any doubts? So just let they take that one new object, glide date object, and just let they assign the one small value, that is the date value, and that value has been changed to the some format, some date format, that is the date, month and year. And earlier one is year, month and date, so that has been changed. Okay, so now come to that, and this is there, that is the, and another method is there. Just copy this one, copy that. So what is the info is there? Just, so where gd new glide date, so the new glide date value is generally here. Okay, that is the our new date. And gs.info get day of month notch. Okay, day of month notch. So just run this script. What is that? What will arrive here? So if you want to get the days, okay, how many days have gone in our particular month, so that is identified by the help of get day of month notch. Okay, get day of month notch method. So with, so that is the, so date with no time zone. Okay, conversion. So how many days have gone in this particular month? So let they find by the help of this method. That method is the get day of month notch method. So then simply to find that one. So that means easily to identified by this one. Okay, easily to identify the particular method. Okay, how many days have gone, okay, in this month? So that is the 24 days have already gone. Why? Because this is the 24th date today. Okay, and next one, just these are the simple methods. So how we use the these methods? So that is the new glide date, set value and get display value. So get display value, so that is already same similar output. And get display value internal. Yes, this is helpful to that. So that is the, just copy this one. So if you want to find the today date, Okay, so then how we do that? So this is the by the help of this scripting, simple scripting. So that is the just two lines script is there, where gd equals to new glide date and gs.info or gs.print gd.get display value internal. So that is there, just run this. What is the date today? So that is the 2024 4 and 24. Okay, so that is the our today date. If you want to find out the today date, then simply to find the by the help of this method. That method is the get display value internal. Get display value internal method. Okay, so that is there. And now go to the another method. So these are the directly to available in our okay Google. So that is the product documentation, directly to available, these are the values, these are all the methods. And get display value internal is there, and use case is also given here. So that is the following example returns the date of the user local in all styles. Okay, full, long, medium, short, so whatever it may be. So just copy that. So we get the that okay date values in all the methods. So what are the methods are there? Just copy that. Okay, so just have a look guys. So how many methods are there? Those all are given here. So that is the so gs.info date get display value. When we are given the only get display value, that is the 24 4 24. Simply get display value method. And next one, get display value language also. Okay, so language point of view, full point of view, Wednesday and April 24 24. So that is the this is the method helpful to give the this result. That is the even week and month, those two are will be appeared. Okay, those two are will be appeared as a letter format. Okay, so that is the letter format. So that is the word is also there. And long, full point of view and long point of view. So when we are mentioned as the long, so then only month. Okay, so month of the year and date and year. Okay, and medium, so this is the way is there, medium also similar to like that. And small, short means so 4 24 and 24. And display internal, it's also given like this. So these are the methods are there to get the particular date formats. Okay, to get the our date. Okay, how many methods are there? That is the get display value internal or value or only language. Okay, lang point of view, full length and medium and short point of view. Okay, so those are the methods are there. Now come to that, any other methods are available here. Okay, the following example returns the date of the user's local various languages style. Okay, already done. And numeric value of the month from 1 to 12. Okay, so which month we are? So let me find that this method. So just have a look here. So earlier one we have to do the only how many days have gone over. Okay, those all are simply to find that in earlier method. Now months, how many months have gone over in this year? That is the fourth month. Now we are running on the fourth month. So that is the that value has been arrived here by the help of particular method. That is the gd dot get month notch. Okay, get month notch. Okay, so that is the method is also available. And next, year notch. So which year let we, okay, so that is the get year notch. So and date also, get date notch something is get display value internal, get day of the month notch. Okay, so that is also identified here. And this one, output, So here let me find the some more methods, that is the following example returns the date and time in short and full styles of the English and French. Okay, English and French. So in that, so new glide date, okay, set display value language 2323 short, okay, French, okay. So these are the methods are there, only same earlier one similar to like that. Get value. So sometimes you may also use the get value also. Set value and get value. Get display value is fine for that. So sometimes get value is also used. Okay. So just have a look. So what we do? Copy that. Okay. So just have a look, guys. So get value. So gs.info gd dot set value is not required. Just let me see that. Yes. So in earlier one get display value, while we are inserting the get display value, then similar to like that. Okay. And sometimes by the help of this glide date object, okay, when we are mentioning as the glide date object, then simply to find that value also get value. By the help of get value method, again we should also get the our today date. So that is also happen. And next, so these are the methods are there in our, okay, glide date, and some more also there, glide date, date and time also there. Okay, glide date and time. So that is also one of the method is there. Okay, so just have a look. So when we are glide date and time, it is also similar methods, but the smallest amendment is uh, time also will be arrived here. So while we are inserting the particular code, so that is the just have a look here. So variable and new glide date time, and in that gs.info only gdt, okay, only that variable, just while we are mentioning as the variable, then again you should also get the our date value along with the time also. Okay, along with time. So this time is belongs to which time? So this is the gmt. Gmt, okay, gmt time. Why? Because our user, our system administrator will be in our gmt time, they are setting as the gmt time. So let they give the only gmt time here. Okay, and other methods, let they see that if there any other methods are there. Yes, number of methods are available here. Okay, using, so what they set here, so that is the, just copy that, just new glide date is there, and let this simply here just run that. So what they do here, so that is the new glide date. If it is being as an empty, then it may display the only today date, but they are assigned the value, particular value. That value is the 2023 year 7th month and 4th date. So 4th of the 7th month, okay, so that date has already, okay, assigned in our object. So then that value has been only given in this place. Okay, that value has been given in this place, so that is there. And any other methods are there, just let me see that. Just have a look. So that is the, so in this, so that is so just have a look here. So this example shows how to add the 20 seconds to the time set in our GDT glide date time object. So we should also set the some time, that means we should also add on the some time also here. So that is the seconds point of view, and minutes point of view, and days point of view, and okay, so we are adding on the everything, that is the days or minutes or seconds and our months, whatever it may be. So just let me use this one. So that is the, copy this one. Okay, and now, so in this place just remove this one, only glide date. Okay, GT time 1 new glide date. Okay, two variables are there. New glide time. GT time 1 dot set value 20 seconds. GTD dot add time GT time 1. GTI time 1. So that is the our 4:59. Just have a look here, 4:59. Now I want to change the minutes. So just have a look. So that is the 4:59. Again we should also add on the time of the 20 minutes 20 seconds. Then so that is the, that's been as a 5:20. So that means 5 is there. Now the time is 5. So then 20 minutes, when we are adding on the 20 minutes 20 seconds, then it's going to be 5. Okay, so that is the 20 minutes will be adding here. 20 minutes 20 seconds will be adding here. Okay, so that is the way to adding of the our time. So where we do that, this one is the end date. For example, if you want to automatically define the end date, so now also we should also such type of things already done. So that is the incident, while we are taking the incident, actual start is there and actual end, two fields are there. Okay, just let if you are checking on the form layout, okay, form layout method, there is a some fields are there, some fields are available. Those are the actual start and actual end. Those are the date related fields. So actual start mean when you are open the one ticket, then that is automatically okay taking as the actual date. So that is the starting date, actual start date. And actual end means when your ticket is going to be resolved, then that would be considered as the our end date. Okay, automatically to take that end date. And sometimes that end date is predefined. So predefined means, so already we have the some SLAs. So by the help of that SLAs, that means if you are uh, uh, just if you have to set the value of priority 1, priority 2, priority 3, priority 4, so whatever the values are there, so those values, based on those values, some timeline is there, some timeline is there. So that is the timeline of the particular. Okay, let me create the one field. So that is the timeline. Okay, timeline of the ticket. For example, you have to create the new field, that is the timeline of the ticket. So that is the ticket is being as a priority 1 only 1 hour, priority 2 okay 4 hours, priority 3 8 hours, priority 4. So that is the way is there. So 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours. So those automatically set the in that particular field. So that is the timeline of the particular ticket. So just you have to create the one more field, that is the that data type is date. Okay, that field name is the timeline of the ticket. So by based on the priority automatically arrived the particular timeline. So that automatically timeline is the, for example, the time if it is being as a priority 5, so then so that is the maybe 72 hours. Okay, so 72 hours time is there, so that means the 3 days. So the timeline will arrive here. So that is the timeline will give you that is the 3 days of, okay, that means the date will appear as a after 3 days date. So that is the timeline is there. Okay, that field is also getting, that is the some functions we do by the help of these methods. Add days, okay, and add days in minus also. Days point of view, just addition of the days, and addition of the, okay, just adding of the months, adding of the uh, weeks also, add of the weeks. Okay, so these all are number of methods are there. Add months, so that is the, if that particular, for example, change request is there, so how many months let they take for making the particular change request. So maybe it takes to 3 months of the time for doing the particular change. Okay, that record change request. So maybe some of the taking to be 4 months. So that is the, just let we use this method, then simply to do the, okay, that particular timeline of the particular request. Okay, timeline of the particular change. So that is the values will easily to achieve here. Okay, add months local time. So let me see that this one, just copy this one. So in this, so this is the seconds related. Now we do that. Just have a look here. Just run this script. How much? So when you are add months local time, okay, so when you are add of the months, so 2, then that value is the 6th month. So that is the benefit of our particular add months method. Add months, add weeks also, add years also. So those all are there. Okay, so those all are using in our real time point of view. So can you tell the some examples where we generally use this months? Already said that. So change request point of view, add months method is helpful. Okay, how many months let they take for completing the particular change request? So that is the, maybe it takes to 3 months or 4 months or 5 months. And years point of view, that method is also used. For example, contract management applications are there. So that means when you are okay, preparing the data, so that is related to service related or warranty related. So warranty related or license related. So that particular software is having the 1 year license, 2 year license, then we should also add on the years. Okay, so when it will when it is going to be expired, and when it is going to be renewal. So such type of actions let we do by the help of these methods. Okay guys. Oh sorry.